Subscribe to our channel Basics Corner and please press on the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be reviewing a serum to reduce hair loss. This was recommended by a hairstylist to my friend who was suffering from hair breakage and hair loss because of her bleached hair. The product is called Green Plus Silver Serum, Silky, Glossy and Shiny Hair. The product retails for INR 200. It is a small bottle yet bigger than most serums such as leave-in. This one is a 100 ml bottle. It is a clear serum. On the bottle it is written, an enriched serum that nourishes your hair, protecting it from the sun and stop breakage as well as hair loss. Have a silky, glossy and shiny hair with this serum that also treats excess dryness caused by hair dye, perm and relaxer. The same thing is then written in French as well. Regarding the ingredients, it has a lot of technical terms such as cyclopentasiloxane and etc. It is important to mention that it is an alcohol-free serum, which is why I have high hopes that it might actually work and reduce hair loss over a considerable amount of time. So, my friend will be testing out this product as recommended as the hairstylist by dabbing a little on the length of the hair every 2 days and once in a week massage the scalp with it. So, the bottle has a small opening which makes it easy for the application. However, the serum as expected is quite liquidy, which means that as you press the bottle, a lot of the product can come out, so beware of that. So basically it is more of a dry serum rather than an oily based serum like leave-in. So even if you apply it almost 4 times a week, your hair will not have a greasy appearance. Actually, you will have a glossy shine as if it is your natural hair. So after a month of trial, as per the rules set by the hairstylist, I must admit I'm not surprised. This product definitely made my friend's hair smoother, shinier and much stronger. She even noticed less breakout during the first week, and by the end of the month she had almost no hair fallout when she brushed her hair. Other than that, her hair felt soft and smelled amazing. So this product is a great thumbs up. For the price point and the performance of the serum, I definitely feel this is a great product to repair dry and damaged hair, but also maintain a healthy hair. So if you ever get your hands on this, please go ahead and buy it. You will love the results. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then thumbs up the video, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to press on the notification bell. Till next, take care.